Hey, it's Dr. Tuggy, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, and I wanted to do a little follow-up on a video I did probably 2 weeks ago, which probably got me shadow banned, but my parents always called me belligerent. So here we go, right? Time to take a stand. Freedom! So I'm going to say it again. I'm doubling down, and it is what it is. I'm going to let the chips fall where they may. Your health requires you to eat protein. It does not matter where that protein comes from, provided that it is a non-genetically modified source that's clean without any inflammatory proteins in it, without toxins, that's not highly processed. Every human being is a little bit different on what they like to consume and what their bodies respond well to. When it comes to healing, you've got to consume all 20 of your amino acids. If you do plant-based eating, that's awesome. You should focus on garbanzo beans and lentils and black beans and quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein. Add some mushrooms to that. Make yourself a vegan meal with a combination of those things. You will get everything that you possibly need. If you're not limited to just plant-based, pick an animal. If you learned something from that video, make sure you like it, subscribe to our channel, leave comments, share it with friends, and then of course hit the notification button because you can never get too much of your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon.